Hello and welcome. Before we are able to do anything with HySelect, we need to install the software, of course. The easiest way is to go to the IMI Hydronic Engineering website, and there you will find Toolbox, and completely on top we find HySelect. After selecting the desired version, in my case I will take the International English version, you will need to fill in your credentials and a download will start automatically. Once the software is downloaded on your computer, you will need to unzip the installation folder. After unzipping, you can click on the exe file and the installation will complete. Notice that there were two shortcuts created on your desktop, one for the HySelect software and one for the Pneumatex wizard. Homework after this exercise: make sure HySelect is installed and that the shortcuts are on your desktop.